How to create a pot on Monzo Bank app. If you'd like to create a pot on the Monzo Bank app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch the Monzo Bank application, and you will see this type of interface where you also want to make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you've made sure of that, if you scroll a bit further, you'll find a section called pots, and you can see the three dots next to that pot. So when you tap on the three dots option next to the pots option, you'll find one of those options called create pot. So all you have to do is tap on the create pot option, and you can just choose the type of pot you'd like to create, whether it's a regular pot, savings, or whatever else it is. And once done, you will be able to create your pot on the Monzo Bank app. This way you'll be able to create your pot on the Monzo Bank app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.